check, helicopter pad, dropping off a body bag. So I guess I got the gift of gab. Don't interject, don't intercept. You ain't on a jet, you ain't need a bitch with this kind of.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Miss One, aka Patty, aka My Money and Cut. Y'all know what this video finna be about because y'all saw that thumbnail left at that title. So today it is currently 11:50 a.m. and I got stuff to do in about 2 hours or so. So I didn't hurry up and do my hair. So basically I'm just gonna be doing a tutorial for you guys. So I got this wig, period, and it's so cute. This is 24 inches. It's body wave and it's a lace front. It's not like a frontal or nothing, but the way it's made is kind of weird because it's like a frontal but it don't go back that far, and then it gives you like this little piece like or whatever. It kind of looks like a probably like a 6x6 about. It's really cute. Basically the reason I got the camera facing this way instead of how I usually have it to the side is because I have a mirror right here because I want to be able to actually show you guys what I'm doing or whatever. So I will put everything you need to know about this wig in my description box below. Please do not mind the little mess in the back because this is my desk area, so there's stuff on the desk, but we're gonna try to ignore that, okay? So y'all already know what I'm about to do. This video is about to be a voiceover or whatever. Probably not even gonna be a voiceover. It's probably just gonna be like steps here and there because everything that I'm showing y'all is basically y'all can learn just from looking at me. Make sure y'all follow me on my Instagram, subscribe to my channel if y'all want more videos like this.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you, you do.
Okay, so now I have all my edges brushed back. As y'all can see, they looking pretty decent. Now what I'm about to basically do is put on my wig cap. So basically what I do is put on my wig cap and I use my Ghost Bond to secure the wig cap. Then I go on with a little bit of foundation with a makeup brush and I just put it on there. This step I will not be showing just because it's like it takes like a little time, and I feel like you guys already know how to kind of do the wig cap process. If not, y'all basically understand when it's on my head.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time
Okay, so right here I'm just measuring the wig because I'm about to cut my ear tabs. This is an important step so you can make sure that your wig is very, very comfortable. As y'all see, I'm going in with like little baby scissors to cut the ear tabs. Make sure y'all cut. Don't be scared to be losing hair. Like, of course hair's gonna come out, but you need to cut these ear tabs off.
try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you, you do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, you don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you, I wanna kiss you, yeah. I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around. Yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around,
am gonna fly iron it just because I don't really feel like putting no like mousse in it, then diffusing and stuff like that. And I kind of want to wear straight hair today or whatever. So we're gonna be using my hotter flat irons, which are right behind me. But before we do that, we gonna have to hot comb this little, you know, we're gonna have to hot comb it or whatever. And then after we hot comb and get it all looking decent or whatever, then we gonna do the edges, because that's the last part I like to do. After I do my edges, I like to put my band on again, sometimes depending on how the lace look. So yeah, let's just hot comb this little hair down, have it laying out flat, have it laying out cute. Then we go fly in, then we gonna come back. Well, I'm gonna try to do something on camera, but I don't want this video just to be a whole lot of girl, what are you doing? You feel me? So yeah. Y'all already see how it's already laying flatter than this lumpy side. We're just gonna do that, okay? Period. It's still a little poofy, but we're gonna fly in it. Y'all gonna see when I come back, because right now I'm looking very much like not an it girl. I'm looking like very much like, who did that to you? Like, why did they do that to you? So yeah, we're gonna get back right. I'm gonna come back to fly in a little bit on camera, and then we're gonna do the edges, like, period. I might do the edges on camera. I don't know, because I can never do them like on the first try. I be doing it for like 30 minutes. So we gonna see, okay? Okay, so we got this side looking all cute, so now we gotta get this side all situated. I'm gonna do this side off camera too. I'll try to do like a little part so y'all can see how I do. I fly in my hair, I use my slick stick, and then I go with my hot comb. That's basically what I'm about to do to this side. I'm gonna come back with my hair off flat iron, and it's time to do them edges, baby, because I know that's probably what y'all been waiting for. Don't nobody got time. Everybody know how to fly iron hair, so let's get into the what y'all really came for.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the same, I'm the master of my sea. Oh.
Okay, boom, so we got one edge done, so now I'm about to do this edge, and I know this one kind of look iffy, but baby girl, I'm trying to learn how to do edges, and this is the best I got in me, okay? So this is just what we're gonna work with, because I don't even got it. So I'm about to do this side or whatever. So we got two little edges so we can get, you know, to going, because I gotta leave in like, where's my iPad? I got literally like 20 minutes to get ready, so I gotta hurry up. Boom, so I never finished this install video because I had to go to practice. But basically, this is how the wig ended up coming out. It's not my best. This is like 2 days later, so it's not like giving very much like what it gave the first day. But it's still giving, and the lace is holding up pretty good. This wig was a little harder to lay down flat, like the hair at the top. I had to use a lot of slick stick, which is kind of why it's a little waxy. But trust and believe that all you gotta do is use some either dry shampoo, baking soda, or something to get it out. But since I was only wearing this wig at practice, it wasn't going nowhere. I didn't really care. So therefore, like, this is just how the wig ended up turning out. Like, it's a little crusty because I just put some extra on and turned the white light. Girl, bye. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video all the way to the end. Make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure y'all follow me on my Instagram. I love and appreciate you guys so much for staying all the way to this end. I do got my nails done with something different from like what y'all watched like the earlier in the video, obviously. So yeah, but like I said, I love and appreciate you guys so much. Bye.
Little boy did my bitch, got me mad shit, so I stack the beats. gon' start